Hello friends, so in this video I will discuss about haloalkanes and haloarenes. So let us start. So first one is allylic halides. So if the halogen group is attached to carbon next to double bond, then it is called as allylic halides. So you can see this one. So this carbon X is attached to, or this halogen is attached to next to carbon atom, or the carbon atom next to double bond. So same thing is also true in the case of this cyclic ring. So then we have this benzylic halides. So here we have a toluene one. So this halogen is attached to CH2 group of this benzene ring. So like that we have this vinylic halides. So vinylic halide is nothing but carbon which is involved in the double bond. So that is known as vinylic halide. So then we have this preparation of haloalkanes. So we can prepare this haloalkanes from almost everything. So first we will consider the alcohols. So this ROH plus HCl in presence of ZnCl2, here we are going to get RCl. So like that, so ROH plus NaBr plus H2SO4, here we are going to get Na means RBr. So like that we have, so this one ROH plus RX2, here we are going to get RX. ROH plus PCl3, RCl we are going to get. So like that ROH plus red phosphorus in presence of that X2. So X2 may be Br2 or I2. Here we are going to get Rx. So like that, if it is a ROH plus SOCl2, here we are going to get RCl. So like that we have some more reactions. So these are the nucleophilic substitution reactions of alkyl halides. So you take any alkyl halide and have some nucleophile. So there we are going to get corresponding nucleophilic substitution reaction. So let us start. So Rx plus NaOH, here we are going to get ROH, this is alcohol. H2O, here we are going to get ROH, so again this is alcohol. NaOR dash, here we are going to get ROR dash, so this is ether. So like that NH3, so here we are going to get RNH2, this is amine. KCN, here we are going to get nitrile cyanide, so the product is RCN. So like that AgCN, here we are going to get RNC, this is isocyanide, or this is also called as isonitrile. So like that KNO2, here we are going to get RON double bond O, so this is alkyl nitrite. So like that, if it is a AgNO2, here we are going to get RNO2, or this is nitroalkane. So like that RCOOAg, so in this case we are going to get R-COOR, so this is nothing but ester. So like that, if it is a lithium aluminum hydride, here we are going to get RH, this is hydrocarbon. So like that R-M plus, here we are going to get RR dash, so this is alkane. So then we have this SN2 reaction. So actually two types of reactions are there, or this nucleophilic substitution reaction will undergo in two different mechanisms. So one is SN1 reaction and second one is SN2 reaction. So in the case of SN2 reaction, so this is single step. So this nucleophile will attack this, so this haloalkane. Here we are going to get a transition state, then after that we are going to get the product. So like that, here we are going to have this SN1 reaction also. So this will undergo in two steps. Here we are going to get, here normally we are going to take tertiary alkyl halide. So this tertiary alkyl halide in presence of this nucleophile, here we are going to get so corresponding alcohol. So first step will be formation of carbocation. In the second step, so this nucleophile may approach this carbocation from either side. Here we are going to get the racemic mixture product, right? So then we have this nucleophilic substitution reactions. So let us start one by one. The first one is replacement by hydroxyl group. So we know that most of the times this benzene or the benzene halide compounds won't undergo nucleophilic substitution reactions, but if that benzene ring is substituted with some electron withdrawing groups at that time, so this will undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction. So let us consider that one of this one. So we have NaOH here and H plus. So this is 2,4-dinitro-chlorobenzene. So in this case it will undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction. So this Cl will be replaced with OH to give this particular compound. So then we have this one, electrophilic substitution reaction. So this benzyl chloride, so plus Cl2 in presence of anhydride AlCl3. So here we are going to get orthochloro, orthodichloro and parachloro compounds. So this one is known as Friedel-Crafts reaction. So then we have this chlorination. So this particular reaction itself is chlorination. Like then we can expect some nitration reaction. The product or the reagent here in this case is nitrating mixture, that is HNO3 plus concentrated H2SO4. Like that we can consider the sulfonation reaction. Here in this case the reagent is concentrated H2SO4. So then here we are going to consider the Friedel-Crafts reaction. Sorry, that previous reaction is just a chlorination reaction, but here in this case, here we are going to consider the Friedel-Crafts actual reaction. First we need to consider the chlorobenzene. So with that one, alkyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. So at that time here we are going to get, so that alkyl group will be substituted to this benzene ring. So either at ortho position or at para position. So like that here we can consider some acyl chloride CH3COCl. So in this case, if it is in presence of anhydrous AlCl3, here we are going to get this kind of product. So right, like that we have some more concepts like freons. Chlorofluorocarbon compounds of this methane and ethane are collectively known as freons. So like that here we can consider this one, right, C2Cl2F2. So like that we have one more compound, that is DDT. So this is nothing but P-dichloro diphenyl trichloroethane, right. So here you can consider this one, para-dichloro diphenyl trichloroethane, right. So like that. So this is the end of this chapter. Remaining things we're going to discuss in our next class.